Welcome back. Last devlog covered the development of the world's strongest movie adaptation. Today I'm going over what we got finished, what got added, and what's currently in progress. The movie adaptation is done and playable from start to finish. But one thing needed solving was the transition between the Deadzone movie and the world's strongest movie. They don't connect naturally, so we built a new zone specifically to bridge that gap. It gives the player a logical path between the two arcs instead of an abrupt jump in setting and context. You will have to follow a drone that leads you to Bulma and Roshi's location, who have been captured by Dr. Willow. Two big systems got added in this update. The first one is the quest system. Killing enemies or interacting with objects can complete quests and make you progress the story. Also, secondary quests are also in, still being expanded, but the system is functional and integrated. If you have any quest IDs, you can say it in the comments and I'll see if I can add it. We also implemented a cinematic system. Key story moments now trigger proper cutscenes instead of static dialogue. It was necessary for the story. The game is now in a playable state for everyone. This is still an active development build. Bugs are expected. To play, the link is in the description. Download the zip file and zip it, and launch the exe file. The game supports both controller and keyboard. We've tested both, so either input method works. If you run into any bugs, report them in our Discord, also link in the description. That's the most direct way for issues to get logged and fixed on our end. We are currently working on two things in parallel, bug fixes from player reports and the Saiyan arc, which is already underway. On the Saiyan arc side, Raditz, Nappa and Vegeta are implemented as enemies, and Piccolo is playable for the player. What's left is building out the maps and implementing the events, dialogue, cinematics, that kind of work. The core is there, it's mainly content and polish from here. That's everything for this devlog. If you're following the project, subscribe so you don't miss the next update. We'll have more Saiyan arc progress to show. If you want to be part of the development, join the Discord. Bug reports, feedback, suggestions, and maybe art. It all helps us move faster and build something better. And if you enjoy what we are doing, share the video. Thank you for watching, see you in the next one.